ever felt that your English sounds a little flat, like something is wrong? These sentences are not wrong in meaning, but they have no power. They don't move, they don't leave. You are just saying names, not actions. Don't worry, there's one magic word type that gives life and energy to every sentence. It's called a verb. Hi everyone, I'm Namrata and welcome to Namrata English Centre. In this video, you will learn what verbs really are, and I'll teach you 15 easy, powerful verbs you can use every day for school, work, or anywhere. Let's switch on your English. So, what is a verb? A verb is simply the heart of your sentence. It shows two things: what you do or who you are. Let's start with the first one, action verbs. Action verbs are simple. They show what you do with your body or your mind. Top 5 physical action verbs. Go. I go to school. We go to the market. Eat. I eat breakfast at 8. We eat rice for lunch. Work. My parents work in Mumbai. I work on my project. Write. I write notes in class. Please write your name. Speak. I speak English. He speaks very softly. Top 5 mental action verbs. Think. I think it's a good idea. Think before you speak. Understand. Do you understand me? I understand this topic now. No. I know the answer. He knows my name. Like. I like tea. I like learning English. Want. I want a new phone. I want to travel. See? You already learned 10 powerful verbs. But we still have one more team left, the being verbs. Being verbs don't show action. They show who you are, what you are, or where you are. Think of them like an equal sign. The main be verbs in present tense are is, am, and are. How to use them? Am, only with I. I am a student. I am happy. Is, for one person or thing. He, she, it, or one name. He is my teacher. She is kind. It is new. Are, for more than one person or you. We are friends. They are busy. You are awesome. If you remove is, am, or are, your sentence becomes incomplete. You can't say I student. You must say I am a student. This is what makes your sentence alive and correct. Great job! You just learned the power buttons of English. Action verbs show what you do, like go, eat, write. Being verbs show who you are, like am, is, are. Now it's your turn. Write 2 sentences in the comments below. Sentence 1, use an action verb. Sentence 2, use a being verb. I'll read and reply to everyone. Did this video help you power up your English? Then hit the like button, subscribe to Namrata English Centre and share this video with your friends. You are learning beautifully. Keep going. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.